carbon steel, and coated steel, and they can be adjusted to cut different widths and thicknesses. They work at impressive speeds, significantly increasing production rates and reducing labor costs. Many modern steel coil cutting machines are equipped with advanced control systems, enabling fully automated operation and reducing the risk of human error.